Hello guys, so this is a walkthrough as well as a user guide and review of this car battery charger. So this is made by, I don't know how to pronounce it, Sower. So it's a Chinese company, and this is called an intelligent battery charger. It means it doesn't have any button. Doesn't mean that it's intelligent. It doesn't have any button or settings to change. So it is rated at 10 ampere maximum and 15 voltage, plus or minus 0.3 volts charging voltage. So input is between 110 to 240. So pretty much you can use this on any system all over the world. 47 to 63 kilohertz. So in front there's nothing there, no button to press. All are indicators. So you have here the charging voltage, and it will be displayed here in volts, there, and then battery level, it will show you in percentage, and to the right it will also indicate if the battery is full, so it will light up there, and of course it's here, it's 100, and the current will be 0, so charging status is there. So it's charging, it will indicate that as well. So it's very straightforward, and I've been using this for about 3 weeks to a month already, and so far I'm very happy with what it's doing for me. So to the right you have the battery clips or clamps. So one is positive, which is red, so I put a plus there so I don't make mistake, and black is the negative. On to the left is the main power plug. So just plug it to any wall socket. So the procedure in using this thing is make sure that you put the load first before putting in the power. So to start off, let's plug this in. Put it into the battery. So start with the positive, which is the red here. Sorry, there, and then the negative, and immediately it will light up. So right now the battery is at 13 volts and 100% charge. It says there, and 13 volts, and it's not charging because it's not plugged yet. So make sure that you you put the load first, and then the next thing you need to do is power it up, and all you need to do is here. So immediately it will go into that full capacity, so normally 9-10 amps. So right now it's stabilizing, and later on we'll see what's the charge level of the battery. So it's about 80%, 5%, and so 85%, and it's charging at about 8 amps. So charging voltage is about 14.6. It will stop at around 15 volts, and I decided it'll take a couple of minutes to fully charge this battery here. It's a bit bright. This unit costs around 800 pesos, I believe, or 700. So roughly about $14, 16 US dollars. Is that correct? You might argue that why need to buy a car charger when the alternator of the vehicle should charge the battery. But the thing is, I'm not really traveling as much, and this vehicle here doesn't go very far, so it's not able to fully charge the battery, and that's the reason why most of my batteries since 2014 lasted only at the most 2 years, and I learned that you need to have the battery at fully charged most of the time to keep it at a tip-top condition. So this is the reason why I bought this, and hope that I will be able to achieve my goal, which is to extend the life of this battery to maybe 3 years or so. And there's a fan inside. The unit is actually very light. Hope you can hear the fan right there inside, and it doesn't get very hot even at full capacity. So the unit is very good, and I would say it's highly recommended. So once it's get into its charge capacity, it will go into trickle charging, and you will see here 100%, and it will actually stop And I think when the battery drains a little bit for quite some time, if you continue plugging it, it will go into trickle charging. But the performance is quite good at 10 amps, so yeah, it should restore the battery's charge to a good level. We've been filming for the last 3 or 4 minutes, and as you can see, it's still running, meaning although this car has run for about 10-15 minutes a while ago, it's not able to fully charge the battery. So that's why the battery doesn't last as long. I have also another video which I showed that you can actually fill this with water, because over time, although this is a maintenance free battery, the water does evaporate. So what I do is, after the warranty, I open the caps here, so hope you can see that, and then fill it with water to the normal level. And yeah, hopefully with that combination now, I'll be able to achieve my goal. So I won't let this charge to its full, just to show you how it's being done and how good this type of battery charger is. You can buy more expensive ones, but this one suits my purpose, and I will keep using it, yeah, for my cars. So thank you guys, hope this has been helpful, and have a great day. Bye bye.